This year, the world is looking for the biggest chocoholic. Do you know someone who enjoys chocolate so much that they would take a bath in it, sleep on it, and have it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Someone who would get a chocolate massage and take a chocolate shower? Or are you that person? Welcome to Paradise for Real Chocoholics. This summer in Slovenia, in the green oasis in the heart of Europe, the Chocolate Village by the river will open its doors. A luxury glamping resort located in a beautiful natural park by the river, where everything revolves around chocolate. And now we are looking for the world's greatest chocoholic to invite them to experience an unforgettable holiday stay as the first guest in this wonderful village next to Tata Frida chocolate manufactory, with, of course, unlimited access to as much chocolate as they want during their stay. Tag a chocoholic you know, or apply now, and prove yourself to be the greatest chocoholic in the world.